If you are skipping this video, you are missing out on a tool that could change how you research forever. Day 12 of my winter arc. Started the day with a cold shower to wake up my senses. Then hit the gym. After breakfast, I logged in a contract with a client who needed a web developer and a social media manager, finally making things official. Later, I worked on some content updates for that big Pakistani company's website. It's coming together, and I'll share it with you all once it's live. In the evening, I was reading Rich Dad Poor Dad, and it got me thinking, how can we get better at understanding money? So, I did some research and found an incredible website that helps you dig deep into any topic. Want the link? Comment research and I will DM it to you, but only if you are following me. Your growth starts with curiosity. Let's keep learning because your dreams won't wait, neither should you.